So far, you've learned how to make a ball, shape an egg, and choose the right wool and needle. Today, we're going to bring everything together by joining shapes. It's a lot easier than you think. This is how I would like them to join. And what you're going to do is take your needle. I'm using a size 38 star. And you're going to put them together the way you want them to go together. And you're going to hold them together with your hands. Excuse me, I was dyeing wool today and got a little bit of on my finger here. It looks kind of funny. So here we're going to poke in from this side and this side. And we're just going to felt them together. So I'm felting through this ball and into the egg shape. And then I'm going to turn it around and felt right into the ball and through the egg shape. And that is how you attach two pieces together. That is how most things are made in needle felting. And that's how they all join together. Sometimes you may need to smooth where you join them together so you don't see a seam, or you just need to add a little more wool to make it stay together better. So I'll show you how that's done. I lay it out over where they're joined together. I spread it out so that it doesn't leave a line. And I felt them into both sides. So this acts as like a piece of tape holding the two sides together. It camouflages the line of where they joined, and it just secures them together. Now they are very firmly connected. It would be hard to pull them apart at this point. And there you have two pieces joined together. After this, you could make many other different pieces to this, whatever you're making, and just poke them into place, just like you saw here. And if your first join doesn't look perfect, that's okay. Joining shapes is a skill, and that gets easier each time you do it. And if for any reason it is still loose, you just keep felting. Just keep felting, poking them together. You may need to add more wool in that area. This is how we build everything, one simple form at a time. In the next video, we'll start adding details, small features that give your project personality. So make sure you subscribe and continue in the Needle Felting for Beginners Start Here playlist. I'll see you in episode 7.